This video covers the basics of preparing a file to be able to upload it to create a style, place a file in a photo block, or for use with the content library. All files except for user-uploaded files need a no-stroke, no-fill bounding box, which our system uses to determine the page size for a style or the outer extremities of the file as when used in the content library or a photo block. It is strongly recommended that files used to create styles be either Adobe Illustrator version 8 or 10 EPS files because they have clean PostScript, which the Egg tool uses to determine the fonts, font colors, format of phone numbers, and will attempt to assign variable names to the information in the file, like the name, title, address, and phone variables. The file we have here bleeds on 3 sides. We're going to set this up to bleed on all 4 sides. The business card, it will be 3 3/4 inches wide by 2 1/4 inches tall. I'm going to set the point of origin. So the 0 point for right now is the lower right corner. And then I'm going to draw a box. If you're working with our InPosition software, the bounding box needs to be precise because the slots in the plate are plus or minus 1 point and the file will be rejected if it's greater or less than that. I'm going to set the X and Y coordinates to 0. And then I'm going to make the bounding box 270 by 162 points, which is 3 3/4 inches wide by 2 1/4 inches tall. It needs to have no stroke and no fill. Now I'm going to set the lower left corner to be the point of origin, just for reference, so that at a later point, when testing the style, we can take the test EPS file or PDF and drop it on top of the original file to check for the position of the blocks of type. All the type needs to be live. If you convert any type to paths or outlines, it will be embedded in the artwork. At this point, we're going to save the style out as an Illustrator 10 EPS file. And we're going to select EPS from the drop-down list. Click Save. In the EPS drop-down, we're going to set this to 10. Deselect any of the checkboxes in the Options section. They are not needed. And click OK. You'll get a warning and just click OK. The file can then be used to upload into the Item Wizard or the Egg tool. Please see our documentation for artwork preparation or the course on variable item building in the Learning Center for more details and information.